Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, appearance package, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.